so he popped up again. These videos are gonna be real short because I can only save 8 videos at a time. So every time I get an email, every time I get an email from what's it called, YouTube, stating that I recently put this video up.
He's behind me.
Alright, see that flashing? That's not him. It's dying. I wonder what it is. This flashlight, the only thing that's going to be able to help me see.
Yes.
Yeah. This is one YouTube. It's very scary. Yeah. He survived pretty long. He survived over 8 videos, which is pretty good by my standards. Well done. Leave in the comment below what we should play. I have he has very little. Yeah, let's just like end it here and start up again.